Alright my friends, so in today's video we will ask ChatGPT some more questions. Thanks for your loving support in the last episode, guys. It was brilliant, alright? ChatGPT wanted to tell us how GPO was made, and in today's episode we will try to find out some more. Now with that being said, let's begin. So the first question I would like to ask is, how can I get free Robux in Roblox? I'm sorry, it is not possible to obtain free Robux. It is important to be cautious when searching for ways to get free Robux. This AI is smarter than some of you, than some of the people out there who really got their accounts scammed, hacked, whatsoever, because they trusted a free Robux website. Yeah. So, let's move on to the next question. How can I code Blox fruits in Roblox Studio? Let's be a little bit more specific. This AI sometimes doesn't understand what I want to do. Nah, man, this ain't it. Although this AI did not really give me the answer I wanted to hear or read, is still dropping some good tips right here. To get started with scripting in Roblox, you will need to learn the basics. I recommend starting with the official Roblox developer. That's actually a good ass tip right here. Let's ask, what is the best fruit in Grand Peace Online? Nah, man, is ultimately up to personal preferences. Oh my god, what a whack ass answer. Some popular adult fruits in Grand Peace Online include the Gomu Gomu no Mi, the flame fruit, the flower fruit. It depends on personal preference. Oh man. What is the best stand in your bizarre adventure in Roblox? My god, stop coming up with this whack-ass answer. There is no such thing as personal preference. Wait, what? And Shadow the World. Shadow the World? Have you ever got... Has any one of you ever heard of Shadow the World? Which grants the user the ability to manipulate shadows. I've never heard of this. Never in my life. Never. How can I earn Robux in Roblox? I'm asking for a way to earn, not to buy Robux. Who is Myrto, the Roblox Studio tutorial YouTuber? It is not possible to determine which one you're referring to. For additional information, such as specific game or context in which you encountered YouTuber Myrto, it is not possible to accurately identify a specific individual. I recommend searching for Myrto Roblox on YouTube or other platforms and reviewing their channel and content to learn more about them. Do you like Blox fruits? My god. Oh my god. This AI keeps answering in such a shitty way. My god. What else could we ask? Who is 1x, 1x, 1x1? But damn, this is actually accurate. This is pretty accurate, to be honest. Well, yeah. Okay, guys, with that being said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Check out the One Piece game guide PDF. It is completely free. Grab a copy. Links in the description, guys. With that being said, see ya.